Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today is going to be a foundation review. This is a foundation that I have repurchased because I loved it the first time I got it, and that is why I am going to do this review. It's an honest review. It is not a sponsored video. It is just a foundation review from me to you so that you could benefit from my experience. I love this foundation. This one is from Bobbi Brown. I love Bobbi Brown as a brand. I love a lot of their products. So let me tell you about this foundation. It's Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. It is true, I'm wearing it right now. It is as weightless as it gets. I'll show you my face. Now, I am not wearing any concealer because every time, you guys know, when I do a foundation review, I want it to be honest. I want to give you guys a very transparent, very clear picture. I want to give you a good informative video. So I did not put any concealer under this. All I did was I washed my face, I put my prep and prime. That is it. I did not use any concealer, and then I went on to apply the foundation. I will go into the application bit after I read what the pack says and what the company claims, and then I'll show you the application. Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. Full longwear coverage that looks and feels like skin. It's not musky, heavy or cakey. This high performance oil-free formula creates a poreless, shine-free finish with incredibly comfortable day to night wear. Day to night wear, long wear, high performance. I love all of these words, and we shall find out how true they are. Floats over skin and delivers flexible, breathable coverage. See, it's very important to have something that moves with your skin, especially when you are out for a whole day or a big chunk of the day and you don't have time to constantly be in the powder room touching up. Okay, please excuse the dhudum 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 that you can hear. The weather is fabulous. It's pouring and I love rains. It's my favorite rains and snow. Ekdam soch ke I'm happy. So anyway, all this dhadam is because of the weather and the wind, and I love it, but please excuse it. Also, it is water based. I love the sound of that. So I'm going to go straight into the application now. I'll show you. So in the application, all I'm wearing is a lip balm and my MAC Prep and Prime. I'm wearing this lip balm in the application. It's Maybelline Alia Loves New York Baby Lips Highline Wine, and I'm wearing this as a moisturizer slash primer, the MAC Prep and Prime. Let's get into the application. I don't know why the application makes me do a wave. Let's go! Though I did not set the foundation with a powder. I usually set it with either a setting powder, Studio Fix, or a translucent powder, but this foundation is supposed to set to a matte finish. It does not really need a lot of powder. So Studio Fix, which I usually use, is a powder foundation. It does give coverage, and I did not want to do that on top of the foundation because otherwise, you know, we would not get a very clear idea about the foundation's performance. And so all I did was do a little bit of contouring, eyeshadow and mascara. You can of course use powder. The only reason I'm not using it is because I don't have a very oily skin type, and also because I want to test out the foundation as it is. So it's 7:05 and I'm gonna go have something to eat, of course, like food must eat all the time. No wonder my favorite cartoon in the whole world is Garfield. And more food. Anyway, so I'm gonna go eat and then I am gonna head out in about an hour. Also, if you like my hair, I would like to tell you that I straighten them using not a curler but a straightener. And no, I did not do the twisty thing that everybody does that is so complicated. I did it with some other method which is super simple and super awesome and super easy. So I'll put in a link for that, you guys, and please go check it out if you like this effect. And I will come back and I will check in with you. Hello, you guys. I am sorry if my energy level is slightly low. I just got back and I had a lovely day, even though it was really long. So now, coming to our foundation. Okay, it is. Oh, my lipstick is almost gone. See, after how many hours was the... Oh, okay. Well, Harry Potter says it's exactly 10 o'clock. It has been, wow, 15 hours. Though I have to be honest, I did powder my face around lunchtime. So I would say one touch-up. So I might not have required it if I had set it with powder in the morning, but my tea was getting cold and I suddenly realized it is very, very lukewarm, so I just finished it off. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me read all of the claims that were on the pack and tell you honestly if the verdict supports it or not. Okay, the first one said full long wear coverage that looks and feels like skin, not masky, heavy or cakey. Yes, definitely. Ooh, it is not cakey. It is very, very skin-like. This high-performance oil-free formula creates a poreless, shine-free finish with incredibly comfortable day-to-night wear. Day-to-night wear, thumbs up. Oil-free formula that creates a poreless look, thumbs up. A shine-free finish, one midday touch-up is required, but that is awesome. Ooh, silky emulsion of true to skin pigments, hydrating emollients and wear extending ingredients, floats over skin and delivers flexible, breathable coverage. Double thumbs up. Flexible, very flexible, and breathable coverage, definitely. When it comes to instantly mattifies oily skin and gives a natural look, yes it does, but I would say set it with a powder. I just wanted to really test it out, so I did not give it any help from a concealer or a setting powder or a powder foundation. But if you do that, I think it'll be fabulous. And this is the bottle. Yes, it does come with a pump, you guys. I love that. It might be a small thing, but I hate going to have to pick up pumps from MAC and then putting it into my... okay. It's just that it's about comfort. It's about not having to go and get a pump. Which, yes, Estee Lauder, I'm talking to you. So my all-time favorite, stay in place, Estee Lauder, doesn't come with a pump. Have to go to MAC every single time and then get a pump for that bottle, and hate it. Love the foundation, hate the pumplessness. So it does have a pump. My shade is Warm Natural 4.5. I am in love with the foundation. I really like this foundation, and I think you guys should give it a try, though it is always a good idea to get a sample from Sephora. Bobbi Brown stores, I think, do not give you samples, but they're happy to let you try on their products on your face in the store. They might not give you a sample to take away. I just got it, and it is October 2021 is the expiration expiration date. So nice long expiry. It is 30 mils and 30 ml products for exactly rupees 4,000. So before purchasing it, go get a sample from Sephora or try it out in the Bobbi Brown store. And once you are sure of the product and the shade, then go ahead and buy it if you want. And it is not a sponsored video. This, as usual, like all of my other makeup products, comes from my hard-earned money and from the love of makeup that I have. It is not a sponsored video. Bobbi Brown has not sent me this foundation. I just love most of their products. And I am gonna say that this is definitely Mala approved. And let me know what you think of this if you do try it out. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.